what's up, it's JeanitaBlue. I hope my hat is okay. Yes, today I'm going to be reviewing a few Halloween costumes from Amazon.com. So these are all costumes that you can find on Amazon, and you can just buy them online and it'll be great. So the first costume, which is my absolute favorite, is this sexy cop Halloween costume. It is a 2-piece outfit. It's like a 4-piece, 5-piece outfit set. So it comes with this cute hat here and the badge. You can take this off or leave it on. It comes with 2 gloves, so I just have one on here. And it comes with handcuffs. OMG, like, first of all, and they're easy to put on and take out. So you just snap them and they come out super easy. So you get this crop top here and it has buttons all the way up. You can either wear low V. I don't want mine buttoned all the way up to here. I mean, I guess you could. I guess that would be kind of cute because Halloween is all about being sexy and fun for a lot of people. Not everybody, but for some people. And if you're going for a sexy look, this most definitely you can achieve it with this sexy costume. Now I'm going to show you the bottoms. It does come with a belt here. So it's this really long belt, which is nice. Honestly, even after Halloween, I still can wear this. And then it comes with these little Spanx shorts. If you're around people, I would recommend maybe wearing some Spanx underneath. If not, you're gonna have, she's gonna be out a little bit. So I'll just show you a side preview. And you get a pair of high-rise, I'm like taking this off because I just modeled it. These high-rise fishnet stockings. So this costume is really cute. It's pretty affordable because you get so many things. And wait, I'm not even done showing you everything that you get. You get this little walkie-talkie thing too, and it is so cute. So you have all these accessories, so many things to play with, and it's just a cute outfit overall. I like the material. It's pretty stretchy. I got mine in a size small. You either plan on doing it with a group of friends, it'd be really cute, or compare with your significant other, just be like cops and robbers or something. That would be super fun and cute. This is my favorite so far. I'll put the link to this one down below if you would like to purchase it. The direct link will take you to this exact same one that I'm wearing right here. Hi, yeah, Blue here. I have a 1, 2, 3, 4. There seems to be an issue. Halloween is right around the corner. People are still shopping for Halloween costumes and they need help. Don't worry, Jeanita's gonna send them straight to Amazon. Okay guys, so now we are on costume number 2 of our amazing Amazon finds. So the next one is a bunny. So this one only comes with a few pieces. It doesn't come with an entire outfit, so you will have to provide an outfit, unlike our sexy cop, which came with everything from head to toe. This one, you do have to provide an outfit, so I just have on my white corset here with my white jeans and then some white platform heels. So this is really simple. We just take it to choker. Here's a tail. You just put it through like it's a ponytail holder. Boom, boom for your tail. And then here, put your ears on. Okay, so this one right here is just really fun, cute, very fuzzy. I love the ears on this. They're super cute, and I like the fact that you can bend them. And now we are at our Amazon amazing Halloween costumes look number 3. So this one right here is called Lil Miss Red. It reminds me of, clearly, what was her name? Little Red Riding Hood. So it comes just with this dress right here. Okay, maybe you might want to iron it. It has these little details on the shoulders. And it comes like this, but you know me, I always gotta do something extra. Put my shoulders out, tie it to snatch my waist. It comes with this red hood, but you can also tie it. So let me just show you what that looks like. Gives you a little red hood. So this is my last Amazon amazing look. Okay guys, and that is my last look of this Amazon amazing Halloween look. But if you guys enjoyed this, go ahead and comment down below. Again, I think this one, all of them were super cute, but yet and still my favorite one was the sexy cop. Comment down below and tell me your favorite one. Again, all the links to each street outfit will be listed down below. Make sure you are safe and have a lot of fun this Halloween. If you picked one of my looks, be sure to comment and tell me which one that you did, or follow me on Instagram and send me a message at JeanitaBlue. I'll put it right here. Guys, I'll see you guys. Remember to have fun. My name is JeanitaBlue. Until next time, be blessed, be beautiful, and most importantly, be you. Always be yourself. I'll see you later. Mwah. Ciao. Happy Halloween.